Hey guys, so I'm home today. If you notice, I'm sweating. I sweat because I'm outside. I'm gonna be baking a potato pudding incorporating pumpkin in it. So it's a pumpkin spice sweet potato pudding, right? So it's a remix on the original Jamaican sweet potato pudding. I've never tried this before, so I'm excited. I decided to do it outside because it's a beautiful day. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's have some fun. I am excited. Alright, so see, I have a nice piece of pumpkin. So I make this is a very dry piece of pumpkin. Gonna peel it and grate it, as well as two very nice sweet potatoes. So gonna peel these, wash them, grate them, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. I'm taking these to my compost for my garden. So save your peels. If you have an old container like an old bath pan or an old bucket outside, throw your peels in there, cover it with dirt so you create layers of peels and dirt. Great compost if you're wanting to start a garden, or just to throw it outside somewhere around your tree, your ackee tree, a breadfruit tree. Great way to, not having to throw these in the garbage. Okay, so here's how we're gonna do it. Grating the sweet potatoes on this side of the blender, and I'm not sure yet if I might just shred the pumpkin on this side. Let me see how it will look. So if I shred it on this side, I'll have they look like this. First we're gonna grate the potatoes because sometimes they change color and turn black, so we have to kind of move fast. So after I grated them, I'm gonna soak them in coconut milk and yes, sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this and come right back. Alright, so the potatoes finished grating. Alright. It looks like pumpkin puree. Finish grating the pumpkin. See it pretty? Adding in the ginger. So this is fresh coconut milk. Combine that. It look good. I'm seriously impressed. Oh my god, that look good. Alright, so we're gonna add in sugar, vanilla, and all our spices now. All of the rest of spices. Oh my god, it looks so good. Sugar. So then you can add and taste as you go along. You don't need a lot of sugar. Mix spice and cinnamon powder, and then just combine all of this. It smells good. Look. Okay, so now that all our wet ingredients are in this bowl, we're gonna move on to sifting in flour, baking powder, and salt. And that is it. Get it in a pan and get it on that fire out there. I'm gonna oil my pan, and then we're gonna take it on the outside, and you know how we do with the ashes around it so that you know get black on the wood fire. So I have my flour, salt, baking powder. Gonna sift this in here. Flour, salt, baking powder, sift and mix a little. If you want more water, you might add more coconut milk. Oh, it smells nice. It smells so nice. Scrape the sides of your bowl in the bottom. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. I just never expect it. Pan, so I'm gonna put the ashes around it so it don't turn black on the wood. Add this in here. Just a few black currants. Add it to the top. I don't have a lot. Sprinkle it. Alright, so I have to put a piece of foil paper across the top of it because you know we're gonna put fire on top of this. On top of this. So this is my fire. Let me zoom it out. Create a fire to put on top of this, so that's why we call it hella top, hella bottom. So we need both sides to be cooking. Gonna fix up this fire and come back. Alright, so top fire is on its way. Right, so we don't need too much fire upon the top, we don't need too much fire upon the bottom either. So I'm gonna have to keep on monitoring this thing. So I'm gonna move this to the top now. Okay, so I just took it off of the fire. This is it. See that color? It still has a nice wet top, but I have to wait until this is completely cooled before there's any chance to really get it out of this pan successfully. It's a couple of hours and then I'll take it out. And for those of you who want to know, you can definitely put this in the oven to bake 350 to 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, so this is what it turned out to look like in the end. It's very delicious. I'm really impressed. Sweet potato, pumpkin spiced pudding. It still holds the texture of original Jamaican sweet potato pudding, so you can tell that it is very wet on the top of it and very soft and spongy in the middle here. So I'm serving this with some pumpkin, pumpkin banana ice cream as well, incorporating the pumpkin in ice cream here, and it works well. So the pudding, I'm really super impressed with it, and I hope you give it a try. Remember to like and share this video and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support, and as always, eat well, work good,